Mark, you want to help me with this?
Yeah, let's do it. So welcome back, everyone. This is my brother Andrew.
Sup?
And this is his new to him Jeep. So why a Jeep?
Man, so about 4 weeks ago, tragedy hit. I was driving a Chevy Cruze and I totaled it. And so, looking at everything in a positive light, that opened me up for green pastures to get whatever I wanted. And I wanted something stylish and something that could do a little bit of everything, right?
Yeah, I think you made a good choice. So tell us a bit about it.
So it's a 99 Jeep TJ. It's in great condition, 120,000 miles. It just has something, I don't know, man, it just looks weird.
Yeah, it does. I think it needs to be de-grampified.
De-grampified?
Yeah, we gotta do something about this look.
Alright.
Yeah, we'll get into that though. Yeah, man, all this chrome stuff's gotta come off.
Sure, I thought this was the shiny. Isn't this so cool?
I mean, it's shiny. But I don't. Yeah.
We have not reached critical chrome.
Our critical chrome.
It sounds like a really bad name for somebody's lowrider.
Critical chrome, it does. That's hilarious.
It's critical chrome.
Oh, see, man, that's already looking better.
Oh, heck yeah, it is.
Already looking better. Alright. Winch plate next. This thing?
Yep.
Is that what you want off?
Yep. All
Let's do
coming
that.
off. Okay, so winch plate, how do we get?
I gotta look at how to get this thing off. I don't know how they got it on there.
2 bolts on each side. It's like that whole bar, Mark.
We might have to remove the winch to get this off.
Sure it's not just these two? And these two?
Well, yeah, we can do that, but then we gotta pull the wiring out for the winch, which I guess is okay. You said you don't want this winch on there. You want a different one, right?
No.
Yeah.
I don't want a winch on there until I need a winch on there.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Why don't we do the hood latches first, because we're gonna have to open the hood to get this out.
Okay.
Let's do that first.
This thing is so stupid. First when I bought the Jeep, I was like, man, this is gonna be cool. And it's gonna be cool. For one thing, forever to like latch it in there, but whatever.
And to unlatch it too.
Yeah. And they only go in like one way, right? Like, it's,
Yeah, that's the problem with these. Like, you know, yeah, they protect your stuff from getting stolen, which I guess is nice if you live in a bad area, but
you see, I can't even get in there right now.
that's the bad thing. Like, if you need to get under your hood,
Like right away.
there's no. I mean, look how long it's taking you to do it. Not only that, these ones themselves are not. They're kind of worn out, so they just don't really latch anymore. But we're gonna fix that right now. You know, even these little things you're finding are kind of like weird and done odd. Imagine if you bought a Jeep that was built by some random person. There'd probably be a lot more weird stuff done.
Yeah, I guess this is like really like just little stuff.
Yeah, this is super minor compared to.
If I got one all jacked.
Yeah, if you got one all like done up, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm stoked about it, you know, but like.
It kind of gives you something to work on too, you know.
This guy has a ton of watches on this thing.
Oh wow! Oh wow! I'm guessing you didn't have the right hardware, and so you just.
Yeah. Mickey Moused it.
That's what it looks like. Yeah. And then once you get the bolt loose enough, you should be able to spin it with just your fingers. Yep. And just don't lose the nut though, because you're gonna need it.
It's super greasy.
Okay. So.
Ready?
Yep. So
One.
set that down. Hold on. So, I guess grab here and here. So grab there. Yep. And then we'll just lift up together. 1, 2, 3. There we go. What do you think?
It's looking better.
Looks a little more naked, huh?
Looks like I'm missing a piece here, huh?
Yeah, I think I've got one you can have. So there is a cover that goes right here.
Okay.
And we can put that on if you want.
Yeah.
Or if you're gonna get another winch plate, we can leave it off and you can put a winch plate on.
I don't think I want a winch plate right now.
Okay.
I'm kind of enjoying bringing it back to.
No, I think it's like already looking much better. The next piece is, do you like these right here?
I don't.
So you want to remove those?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll work on that next then.
Okay. Kind of stupid.
Yeah. Even better. I don't know what your problem is, but sometimes you just spin. There you go. I do the same thing with this one. There. Look at that. Yep, now we'll go through and we'll clean it all up, and then we'll put your other fenders back on. Yep, so we'll let these guys dry, and then what we'll do is we'll come put some back to black on them, and they should come out pretty decent for what he paid for them. Not too bad. And yeah, while those dry, we'll go get some bolts that we need to bolt everything back up. All right. Man, it looks so much better.
De-grampified, huh?
De-grampified. Yeah, it looks so much better.
Oh man.
Yeah, it does.
Dude, it's night and day. Holy cow.
It looks like a real Jeep again.
It's crazy how just the littlest just tinsel, you know, taken off just looks 1,000 times better, huh?
Yeah. We're definitely not done with it though.
No. You'll see. Hopefully they see this thing again, yeah?
Oh yeah, it'll definitely be on here again. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.
Rock on. Thank you.